Hi guys, in this video I show you a very nice AI feature you can find in Canva. It's called Magic Grab, and unfortunately it's a pro version feature, but guys, stay and check it out because it's very interesting. So let's go. Create a new design, for example 16:9 like here, and upload any photo you want. For example here I uploaded a photo, two persons inside a coffee shop selling coffee, looking very friendly into the cam, so I choose this one. What is this Magic Grab tool doing? This Magic Grab tool is can remove any object or person inside a photo. The AI does the replacing of the background from the object you are removing or repositioning. So let's try it. All you need to do is click on the photo, then on edit. Under the Magic Studio you just click on Magic Grab, and here you already see it's scanning all this photo, and you have two options. Either you use a brush tool or you just click on the object you want to remove. So let's try to click on the object. And in our case, the object or the person is this man here. Just click here. So the man is marked, and just click on grab. Wait a few seconds. All right, it's finished. So now we can just grab this new photo and put it to the side. You can see the AI just replaced the background where the man was before. So it's looking a little bit dirty. I don't know. Maybe it thought because of all these lines it should be looked like that. But guys, the effect is here. We can just repositioning this man. We can even flip the person or make it bigger. So it looks like the man is bigger now, right? Yeah, that's crazy, but it's possible. Everything is possible here in AI. Almost everything, let's say. Let's try another one. Edit, Magic Grab. And this time we are using the brush tool. You can also change the size of the brush tool if you put the slider to the right or left. And let's make it a little bit smaller. And so we're just marking this bottle here. Okay, I'm not so precisely, but maybe it's still working. Grab, and let's see what is happening. All right, let's see. It's crazy. Even if I'm not so precisely, AI is seeing, okay, maybe he's meaning this yellow bottle here. So we are, yes, AI is generating the frame around this bottle and replacing the background as it is. If I place this bottle somewhere else or just deleting, nobody ever think there was a bottle, right? That's a Magic Grab tool I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.